The next part of your project will be to build a presentation. I'm going to put the video for this underneath the research tips video. Visme.co will be where you go. And let me show you why it's wonderful, it's beautiful, and I think you will not only use it for this, but perhaps for other things. Visme.co is one of the many different things that has some free parts, some premium parts. So make sure you use the free parts. I'm going to show you an example that's premium that you can use and build your own free piece. You're going to be doing a white paper. You're going to come here, and it's one of those lovely things when you go to log in. If you have a Google or Facebook account, you can log into it pretty rapidly. In fact, in this case, it already knew who I was and put me here. I'm going to look for something and create new. I'm going to bring this over just a little bit so you can see. I'm going to create a new product, and I'm going to go to more so we can see what we're looking at. What you're looking for is it's called a white paper. So it's going to be under documents. But while you're here, I want you to see that you can do many of these things free. So I'm going to click on this on white paper. So what you're wanting to avoid is something that says premium. And previously this did not. And this is a lovely way to look, because in a way, this on Denang follows your thing. Do not use it, but replicate it on one of the free ones, which are up here. But let's just do a preview on this. You see how it lists transmission, symptoms, and other things? This is how you could set up your piece of paper. You come up with these images, a title, you'll have this, and I believe you'll have a separate references page, but you can see how well they set up each one of these pages. Unfortunately, this is a premium product, but you can take your sections and go to one of these, preview, and fill in the sections that you will be using. Add your particular image that will be useful. If I say use this template, it's going to take me into a place where I can make changes, and all the pieces are over here. Visme also has a lot of tutorials and how-tos, so if this doesn't make sense, a lot of it is drop and drag. You could look for graphics and text. You'll be able to find things that are free. I'm not sure that it's going to go as far as leprosy, but you can upload some of your own files right in this area here. I'm going to put this here that has nothing to do with leprosy, but you would be able to fill in this area if you'd like, change these words, change these colors, add media, add data, photos, graphics, and all the basics. So everything you need to do is over here. You can duplicate pages and then just make the changes you need to do. And you'll be able to share this. Let me bring this over. So you should be able to share this and publish it and get a link, and you'll be able to provide this link in where you turn in your information, or you can do a download. Let's see if that allows us to do this download. Sorry about this space here. So I'm going to Documents, White Papers. I'm going to assume that I have selected this, Edit. I can make all the changes I need on the left-hand side. You can also download, let me see if there's any sort of things, as a JPEG or PNG as well. So you have some different options when you're turning in this object or working with it and seeing how you can improve it. So I think this is pretty super easy. It can make your work look really beautiful. You can also use Visme in some of your other work with infographics, social media, and other images. And if you need any help finding things, I'd be glad to help you. Unsplash, let me put this up here. Unsplash.com is a place you can get free images instead of using things that may be copyrighted. And unsplash.com is what that looks like. And I'll just put in medical. And you can see you can find all these different types of images you might be able to use, but you'll find in many cases these images are already in visme.co. So I'm going to put this video up and a link to the how-to. And while the Denang is absolutely a great model, remember it has a premium across it, so make sure you use one of the white paper pieces that are absolutely free for you to use. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this project. If you need help, please reach out to me. I would be glad to help you out. And anytime you need to. Again, I'm Rhonda Kitchens, and I'm your librarian. And I want you to do really well.